that shallow? What is that? It looks shallow.
Right, it's Bass Bros episode 4. It's Labor Day weekend. We're gonna just do some fishing and some camping this week. We're gonna have a fun time. Let's go. What is this, like number 5? Easy. And that, get the fish. Oh yeah, we do it to Matt, freshman Center Grove football player. Let's go, Matt! Let's go!
I'm using it too. I'm coming back tomorrow, bro. I'm gonna be strong tomorrow.
Yeah, you can catch the biggest fish.
Today doesn't matter.
Let's go, it's just too easy. It's too easy. Let's go, Matt! Let's go!
Look bad, dude.
Hey, yeah, special guest, freshman Center Grove football player.
Oh, dude.
Let's go. Zane's got a big one. 4-pounder.
Hey, first ever top water for me.
Hey! Doubling up. What's out of the story? Guys, let's all catch a fish at the same time. Guys, wait up, I'm about to catch one. All right, so it turns out I'm the only one who can catch fish in this pond, so that's why I got the GoPro on right now. Yeah, I've caught 20. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and like this video, because this is probably the best fishing channel out there. Honestly, this guy's really, he thinks he's good. Oh, I don't know if you guys seen that, but I had a fish on it and I wasn't paying attention. Wow. Did you see? Gosh. Gosh. All right, guys, you just missed it. Just had a fish come up out of the water. He missed it, but see, this is what I'm using. Yeah, it's done okay. Got all of my fish sitting on the tube. Got a couple hits with this. Just can't hook him with this mouse. Just can't hook him. Yeah, these are my fish over here. See, as you can tell, I'm the only one catching fish because they're all surrounding me. I have no more room to fish because everyone is surrounding me because they know I fish where the fish are, and they just kind of fish for fun. Yep, shut up. Just kidding. We don't say shut up on this channel. It's not nice.
Yeah, be quiet.
All right, so the past 3 minutes, these fish have just been playing with Dane, just absolutely doing him dirty. Watch this. Watch this. Oh my, all right, as you can see, Dane has missed a couple fish, so now we're all over here. First one to catch a fish from this. First one to catch a fish from over here in this spot actually wins. As you can tell, the special guest, he doesn't care. he hasn't moved. He does not want the $10,000 prize of the. Yeah. First one to catch a fish from over here. Oh, I won.
You know what, next time I get a bite, I'm
Oh my gosh. That might be the biggest fish of the day.
Number 4.
Matt, get the rattlesnake off the side of it, and then. How many was number 4?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4.
I mean, hey, next time maybe let those 2 guys with the black hats on try to catch a fish.
Navy. My hat is Navy.
Yep, that's Navy hat guy with the yellow on it. It's like the guy with the green long sleeve and the other guy that works at Dick's. It's a big fish. Atta boy. Oh, yep, he's lost us 4 subscribers.
What's the storm?
Who even cares?
I don't even know if that's thunder or
I think it's actually the buffalo running. I don't know why you guys are laughing. This is a wilderness adventure. Labor Day weekend wilderness adventure.
Not in Colorado. I don't even know if there's buffalo in Colorado, but not in Colorado.
Guys, comment on this video if there's buffalo in Colorado.
There's bison.
Shut up.
The Colorado bisons, bro. No, what? North Dakota.
Wait, no, Colorado buffalo. What's their logo?
Buffalo.
There's frogs all over this place.
No, Buffalo bison.
It's Colorado bison. Or what's Colorado's mascot?
Colorado boulders.
Colorado Mountaineers. That's pretty stupid.
What's their like logo for Colorado?
Is like a buffalo or a bison, if that's even the same thing. Comment down below the difference between a buffalo and a bison. Don't forget to like this video. Stop right now. Pause the video and like it. I dare you. You just got dared. You have to do it. Okay, now pause it again and subscribe. Ha, if you didn't do it, you're a loser. We didn't take your spot. We moved into it.
We borrowed it.
We borrowed it. You can come back anytime you want.
We're just renting it.
You're the one who chose to leave. You really whipped that pole. Hey, where's the special guest? He has fallen into the pond. The special guest has fallen into the pond.
Do you have 2 samples?
Yeah, why not? If one works, why wouldn't the other one? You know what I'm saying? Yep, number 20 on the day. This is too easy. Hey, this is a GoPro catch.
My fish.
This is a GoPro catch.
Probably try to eat my fly about 10 times.
Yep, that's why it's my tube that brought it in.
Why got that?
See that? That's look how big that is. Look how big that fish is.
Just like a wow.
There's a fish.
Whoa.
Last cast. Someone is going to catch a fish right here. If not, we are going to try it again.
Nope.
Shh, it's just for the memes.
Come back.
Dane is out with no fish. Tommy is out with no fish. Brock is out with no fish. Ethan is out with rattlesnake. Matthew is out with no fish. Andrew is still in the water. He's struggling, out with nothing. Hey, day 1, Labor Day weekend. It was fun.
Go ahead and fish today. That's it.
All right.
Okay. Thank you. I mean, you guys got your boats in the water. It's just we can't accept the liability. Somebody goes there and gets drowned or gets hurt.
Yeah.
Oh man, they'll be on my ass. Like, why'd you let him do it? So So go ahead and do it today, but first of all, nobody across the street can give permission. If they don't live in, and then, yeah, kind of lets, I guess, some people over the years, but, you know, it's got to, otherwise these neighbors will raise hell with me, so. All right, be careful.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hey, have a good day, man.
Day 2 Labor Day weekend out here with the boys. We're missing Pedigo, trying to catch some fish. The biggest fish wins today. Eventful day already. We almost got kicked out, but we're out here grinding.
Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more weekly content. If you guys do want to download this software,
Hey, first catch of the day.
That's like a maybe 900 pounder.
Yeah, no, that's we can tell if it's bigger. Ooh, on the frog.
Yeah. That's, I was saying it's top water, bro.
Was that your first cast of that?
Yeah. Hey, first cast. Mm, 10 ounces. 10 ounces.
Does it even register?
Alright, leader of the day right now is Tommy at 0.59 ounces. 0.59 ounces. Our leader, Tommy O'Connor. I'm gonna try throwing on the Guggenbait Trench Hog in the black-blue flake colorway. That was the first cast with that bad boy.
What was it?
I'll show you.
Carl.
Dude, that was so close to his eye. No. It's a nice little fella. Actually, I don't know if it will. Oh crap, we gotta move away. Wait, here I'm gonna swing around. Oh, he's...
You say I'm
You're actually good.
Alright, Ethan is the new leader at 0.99 ounces.
Let's get it. Just let him in. Alright, so GoPro died, so we gotta resort to our phone. Can't get the whole catch, but we can see the fish after. There's a dog barking. Brock saw a little one. We're not even gonna weigh it. I'm still in the lead, 0.99 ounces. Move. Tom, scoot up. Neff's got one.
It's a monster.
It is also.
Probably an 8-pounder today. I don't know. I'm not really good. Wait, come get this release because it's the biggest one today.
Yeah, no.
Why? Get your head underwater.